Ear toilet. Ear toilet. A procedure used to clean the external auditory meatus of earwax, discharge, and debris, using a microscope or magnification headlight and certain cleaning devices. Dry mopping, with cotton wool or tissue paper. Suction clearance, typically under a microscope. Ear suction. Irrigation. Using manual or automated syringing. Ear syringing. Chronic suppurative otitis media is a chronic inflammation and often polymicrobial infection of the middle ear and mastoid cavity, characterized by painless otorrhea, ear discharge, through a perforated tympanic membrane and conductive hearing loss. Treatment requires complete cleaning of the ear canal several times daily, careful removal of granulation tissue, and application of topical corticosteroids and antibiotics.